On this historic day, 20th of January 2009, where a noble being's inauguration is at hand, intention is to capture information, as you see in the bottle, the glass bottle here, in water, placed in the room where President Obama was going to convey his speech. So, impression was to have the water receive the information of imprinting from President Obama's words, and then we had a subject who was willing to drink a glass that you also see of water, and 15 minutes later we did a study. So what we are doing is capturing data of the human energy field to show influence of human energy field by water that is impressed with words that raise the potentiality of life. So here's what how we began. We captured data from all the 10 fingers, and from there, before and after, and from there we are able to observe the energy field distribution of the human being. On the left hand side here we see that how the energy field is quite staggered, and after having drunk the glass of water 15 minutes later, after President Obama's speech, here is what showed, and we can see that there is significant increase in the energy field. A right picture also shows the same. This is before, and here is after, and we can see vast difference. Again, the left hand side we see very staggered information of flow, and we see that after having drunk the water with the words of President Obama, the strength of the energy field increased. So now we are going to show influence of what took place to the distribution of energy through all the organ systems. That combines physical, emotional, psychological, and also how your inner state recognizes the outer world. So we can see here that it's a good flow of energy, but there are some staggered areas. We can see peaks and valleys, and going into slightly depleted states of energy. After having drunk the water, we can see that the energy field has definitely expanded and become much more harmonious. So inner strength is gained, strength of the entire system is also recalibrated. And from here we can go to the chakras, and we see the ones in the solid lines now represent chakras that were before having drunk the water, and after having drunk the water we see that there is real harmonics of the whole system. So on one hand it gives us deeper exploration that how water imprinted with affirmations raised the human potential, and this is what we are about, to collectively raise human potential so that we can manifest our brilliance not only in this world but to the dynamics of life in the cosmos.